Hi, it's Josh Smith with Notebooks.com. Today we're taking a look at the HP USB Media Dock powered by DisplayLink. This is a stand which we kind of gave you a tour around a little bit earlier, and it lets you move your notebook to different levels, as you see here, and kind of set it up more ergonomic so you can look straight at the screen. And it also has a USB dock in the back. And so with this one connection that we have here, we're running our 23-inch monitor at 1920 by 1080. We have our keyboard, our mouse, an external hard drive. It has 4 USB 2.0 ports, an Ethernet port, headphone, microphone, as well as VGA. You can't do HD video over the DisplayLink connection right now. It's a constraint of USB 2.0. When USB 3 comes out, they're supposed to have an adapter, which we saw demoed at CES, which can handle HD streaming, and it looks great. But that said, if you have SD content or Flash, YouTube, things like that, it does okay. But no 1080p, no Blu-ray right now. One of the other cool things, aside from the connectivity that's offered with this dock, is that there are speakers inside. So we have some speaker vents here at the front that give us our highs, and then there's also a built-in subwoofer. So the sound quality from this dock, and this is all running over your USB 2.0 right here, blows away most laptop speakers. That said, it's still a little bit less than, you know, a standard set of Logitech or Creative, some speakers that you would have set around your desk if you buy medium to high-end ones. Basically, it's just the bass is a little bit heavier, a little bit muddy at times, but for what it does, it's very good, and it's kind of compact in there, even though the unit does take up a decent amount of space on the desk. I'm going to slide this around so you can kind of take a little closer look at the actual dock. And so what we can do is we can set this for different levels, depending on what we want to do, what fits our ergonomics. And the biggest thing about this dock is it's all about connectivity and ergonomics. So what I've enjoyed is, instead of having my monitor or my notebook sitting on the desk and having to kind of look down at the screen, for the most part I have it up here and I'm looking head on. If I use this monitor over here or my 23-inch monitor that's on loan from Samsung, I can kind of have a straight across viewing experience. And then if I want to take this notebook and go somewhere, I just unplug it, close this up, take it off, and I'm ready to go. And everything else is connected when I come home. Drop this on, plug in, and that's all we need to go in, take it home, take it out to the office, what have you. It's really good for a desk. The one thing I don't like in my current setup, because everything's back here, I have all these cords still hanging out, but since I use a kitchen table for my desk most of the time, you probably won't have that same problem. If the size is a factor, if you don't like the size, you just want something to give you some ports and a monitor connection, stay tuned, because we're reviewing a Diamond DisplayLink powered adapter, which connects over USB and gives you DVI, which also comes with a VGA adapter, and 3 USB 2.0 ports. So you get almost all the same functionality as this docking station back here. We lose the speakers in the stand, but it's a smaller package like this. I could set down underneath, no one knows it's there, I just have one USB cord coming up, and I'm good to go. That said, I really like this HP notebook stand. If you're a college student, if you're a home user, and you want to be able to take your notebook with you, but you want a nice ergonomic, easy on, easy off kind of solution for home, this is definitely a good solution. Again, this is Josh Smith with Notebooks.com, taking a look at the HP USB Media Dock powered by DisplayLink.